This is Dog Rice, our computer brains. I'm a lover of Pepsi, Coca-Cola, D&G, Cola, Champagne. I don't know, and belies the Coca-Cola. But right now, I drink any soda that I love. But look how much Pepsi bottle I have in my yard right now, throw them. And if you just put them in a fire, maybe that save them to say, if Corona we never have no water bottle, could I use them? But see there, I be a new Pepsi them. When you look, see them there, a new Pepsi bottle them, all of them. They are all new and I mean buy them. And today when lockdown I don't even have one friggin' cent to buy one Pepsi if you say a lockdown today sat down me I go in my yard and see there. Andrew Wellness, thank you for the lockdown card. Me can get for kill them go burn them up in the fire. A long time I should burn up in it. I don't know what me they are wait for them so long in the fire for. Me I save them yes but for no make no sense. All these buckles need to burn up long time and I pet them in the yard and I keep up the old rubbish. Yeah. These things need to burn up. Get out of my yard and all these crosses things. And then some people can talk about Mr. Andrew shouldn't lock down the country. Them are idiot. Cause all them something I can cause corona too. Yeah, just having the whole call back them in the yard and I do nothing with them. I have them pack up for me I do them there. Fire for them man, all I who have all rubbish in the yard, burn them up. Look how my yard bush up, Could they? Look how my yard bush up, look at my lime tree. Under the tree this Under the tree want to sweep up. Cause first time my grass used to pretty like so. And I do I road every day and I realised that my little grass want to creep up. Come back and fix up my little yard. See my little flowers them there? My flowers them there. Dog rice have to clean up the place man. Clean up the place man. Yeah, clean up the place. What me I say? So much Pepsi bottle. Pepsi. Let me see when I live. Let me say Pepsi there. Pepsi supposed to be there. Pepsi, Cola, and the Pepsi Global are registered trademark of Pepsi Cola. And right now store in a cool place because before see Bacua, one of the Spanish store, I don't remember one of them. One to locate. I know, but you have to give me a bottle of Pepsi, boy. You have to give me a bottle of Pepsi. A bottle of Pepsi.